fucking Father's Day Sunday morning. So happy Father's Day. We're gonna roll out to Jander's this morning, and I guess it's afternoonish now. It's like 10 o'clock in the damn morning. Slept till goddamn 9 o'clock this damn morning. Huh? Gosh damn. Ron Jones, 4:30 a.m. kind of motherfucker, gosh damn it. Sleeping till 9? What the fuck? That's alright. Hell, we don't even really get the track rolling until 11 anyway, but damn, it's so hot outside. It's fucking hot. That's why I didn't ride yesterday. I felt like sitting on my gosh damn nuts yesterday. I sat on them sumbitches for 7 fucking hours yesterday. We fucking crushed them though. We crushed our fucking nuts and we crushed the gosh damn competition. So we're gonna go out here and try to catch a little fucking zen out here at Jander's today. Got to catch some zen. Come back to our center, man, cause man, poker make you gosh damn mean, boy. I broke his fucking heart, man. Finally, I broke his gosh damn heart. After about 2 hours, I broke that motherfucking big ass motherfucking heart. Broke him, boy. Shit, that son of a bitch just give me his fucking money. I don't give a fuck. I keep my shit mixed up. I'm a gosh damn crusher. I'm telling you boys, Ron Jones is a fucking poker crusher. So this particular hand, I don't even know. Oh, I had a queen 9. I had a queen 9 offsuit and I made it 15. He made it 40 or 45. And I knew he had a big hand, so I just called. Flop was Jack 9 something. I don't even know what the fucking other card was. I check. He bets. I raise. He re-raises me all in. I just know this motherfucker. I just know he's trying to fucking get me, man. I know he's trying to bullshit me. I got a pair of 9s with a queen kicker, boy. There's a jack on the gosh damn board. I call his ass. And this motherfucker got ace queen. He fucking... he just gave me his gosh damn money. And then he's like, oh, stick around, man. Oh, you better... I hope you stick around. Motherfucker, I've been here as long as you have. Hell, we started this damn table together, motherfucker. Shit, we done been here 4 gosh damn hours. What the fuck you talking about? You hope I stick around? You dumb motherfucker. Shit, you just gave me your gosh damn money with ace queen. Just give it to me, you motherfucker. So anyway, I broke his fucking heart out there. That son of a bitch fucking dug 2 more times. He rebought 2 more times. He was in the game for 900. I played there. I was there for about 6 hours. And I finally fucking gave up. I was tired, fucking exhausted. Hell, gosh damn poker's mentally exhausting, boys. And I don't even have to think the way I used to have to think. It's kind of, you ever watch the fucking Matrix? Man, I don't know what done happened, but it's kind of like the Matrix. They done uploaded 3 or 4 damn poker levels in my ass, and I'm a gosh damn crusher, buzz. Huh? They done uploaded 3 or 4 fucking poker levels on my ass. These motherfuckers ain't got a chance. Huh? Watch it, motherfucker. I'm telling you. But I do got a plan. It's a 2-year plan. Ron Jones gonna be a crusher, boys. And hell, who knows? Catch a fucking notion, it might happen quicker than that. Cause I've caught a notion before and I've walked out of my damn dad's driveway butt-ass naked. Take this job and shove it, motherfucker. Shit, I look for a job when I found this motherfucker, gosh damn it. Huh? All it takes is a notion. Move the fucking ocean. Watch him, gosh damn it. I'm telling you. So much fire in this gosh damn heart. I set motherfucking heaven on fire. So much ice runs through these damn veins, all fucking chill fucking hell, son. So today, we just gonna run out here to Jander's and come back to our center. Gosh damn, we got to get re-centered, boys. Shit, a little off, guys. We've been a little off for about the last 5 weeks, 6 weeks. Before we go out there, we gotta stop and get some food for this body. And get some fuel for the bike. We are completely full on the truck, so we good there. Alright boys, I got to get off here and get some food, guys. Damn it, I got to fucking go.
Baller, Shot caller, get late tonight. I hit the highway, making money the flyway. But it's got to be a better way, yeah.
He's a wolf screaming lonely in the night. He's a blood stain on the stage. You can choose a tear in the night. Shout, shout, shout. You love me, you want to be the blood between his eyes. You put the strength to the test, you put the thrill back in head. I'm getting ready on you, boy.
Alright. That's supposed to go down.